This is Assistant Professor of Biotechnology, Government Science College, Hassan. Today's topic is Introduction to Bioinformatics. I will go with bioinformatics definition. The National Center for Biotechnology Information in 2001 defines bioinformatics like this. Bioinformatics is the field of science in which biology, computer science and information technology merges into a single discipline. There are three important subdisciplines within bioinformatics. First, the development of new algorithms and statistics with which to access relationships among members of large data sets. Second, the analysis and interpretation of various types of data including nucleotide and amino acid sequences, protein domains and protein structures. Third, the development and implementation of tools that enable efficient access and management of different types of information. Bioinformatics definition given by Christopher as follows. Bioinformatics is a field of computational science that has to do with the analysis of sequences of biological molecules, usually refers to genes, DNA, RNA or protein, and is particularly useful in comparing genes and other sequences in proteins and other sequences within organisms or between organisms, looking at evolutionary relationships between organisms and using the patterns that exist across DNA and protein sequences to figure out what their function is. You can think about bioinformatics as essentially the linguistics part of genetics. That is, the linguistics people are looking at patterns in language. And that's what bioinformatics people do, looking for patterns within sequences of DNA and protein. Bioinformatics is currently defined as the study of information content and information flow in biological systems and processes. It has evolved to serve as a bridge between observations, data, in diverse biologically related disciplines and the derivations of understanding information about how the systems or process function and subsequently the application of this knowledge. A more programmatic definition in the case of disease is the understanding of dysfunctioning and the subsequent applications of knowledge for therapeutics and prognosis. Functions of bioinformatics. Bioinformatics involves the technology that uses computers for storage, retrieval, manipulation, and distribution of information related to biological macromolecules such as DNA, RNA, and proteins. The emphasis here is on the use of computers because the most of tasks in genomic data analysis are highly repetitive or mathematical complex. Data mining is the process by which testable hypotheses are generated regarding the function or structure of gene or protein of interest by identifying similar sequences in better characterized organisms. History of bioinformatics. Most of people think bioinformatics is new, but not like that. In the 1960s, the first de novo peptide sequence assembler, the first protein sequence database, and the first amino acid substitution model for phylogenetics were displayed. One letter code was first used in Day of and X 1965, Atlas of Protein Sequence and Structure, the first ever biological sequence database. Through the 1970s and the 1980s, parallel advances in molecular biology and computer science set the path for increasingly complex endeavors such as analyzing complete genomes. In the 1990s and 20s, use of the internet coupled with the next generation sequencing led to an exponential influx of data and a rapid proliferation of bioinformatics tools. In 1995, the first complete genome sequence of free living organism, Haemophilus influenza, was sequenced by the Institute for Genomic Research, TIGER, led by geneticist J. Craig Venter. In 1988, National Center for Biotechnology Information (NCBI) is established at the National Cancer Institute. In the same year, the FASTA algorithm for sequence comparison is published by Pearson and Luckman. In 2001, the human genome is published and completed in 2003. Scope of bioinformatics. Bioinformatics consists of two subfields: the development of computational tools and databases, and the second one is application. These two subfields are complementary to each other. The tool development includes writing software for sequence, structure, and functional analysis, as well as the construction and curating of biological databases. These tools are used in three areas of genomic and molecular biological research: molecular sequence analysis, molecular structural analysis, and molecular functional analysis. The analysis of biological data often generates new problems and challenges that in turn spur the development of new and better computational tools. Scope of bioinformatics. The area of sequence analysis include sequence alignment, sequence database searching, motif and pattern discovery, gene and promoter finding, reconstruction of evolutionary relationships, and genome assembly and comparison. Structural analysis include protein and nucleic acid structure analysis, comparison, classification, and prediction. The functional analysis include gene expression profiling, protein-protein interaction prediction, protein subcellular localization prediction, metabolic pathway reconstruction, and simulation. Graduates in bioinformatics can expect to engage in any combination of research, teaching, clinical service, and consultation. Within universities and research centers, there is a growing need for bioinformatics researchers who can analyze new sources of high-throughput experimental data in biology, medicine, and bioengineering. Biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies also seek bioinformatics graduates for applied research on disease and drug discovery. Medical centers also increasingly hiring bioinformatics graduates as genomics data become important in medical research and clinical applications. Aims of bioinformatics. In general, there are three basic aims of bioinformatics. The first aim of bioinformatics is to store the biological data organized in form of a databases. Second aim is to develop tools and resources that aid in the analysis of data. The third and most important aim of bioinformatics is to exploit these computational tools to analyze the biological data, interpret the results in biologically meaningful manner. Goal of bioinformatics is to better understanding of living cell and how it functions at molecular level, and applications of these findings for betterment of mankind and nature. Another important topic which relate to bioinformatics is Internet. Internet plays a major role in bioinformatics for exchanging information across the researchers, institutions and public over Internet or by browsing, searching databases. A network is a group of two or more computer systems linked together. Then what is Internet? The Internet is the largest computer network in the world, connecting millions of computers. A global computer network providing a variety of information and communication facilities consisting of interconnected networks using standardized communication protocols. The Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks that use a standard protocol suite. The suite is TCP and IP to serve several billion users worldwide. How this Internet is developed? In 1969, the US Department of Defense started a project to allow researchers and military personnel to communicate with each other in an emergency, and that project is called ARPANET, and it was the foundation of the Internet. The technology continued to grow in the 1970s after scientists Robert Kahn and Winton Cerf developed transmission control protocol and Internet protocol, that is called TCP/IP, a communications model that set standards for how data could be transmitted between multiple networks. ARPANET adopted TCP/IP on January 1st in 1983, and from there researchers began to assemble the network of networks that become the modern Internet. The online world then took on a more recognizable form in 1990 when computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee invented World Wide Web. While it's often confused with the Internet itself, the web is actually just most common means of accessing data online in the form of websites and hyperlinks. The web helped popularize the Internet among the public and served as a crucial step in developing the vast trove of information that most of us now access on daily basis. How to connect Internet? In order to connect to Internet, one must have access to an Internet service provider, that is ISP, which acts as a middleman between you and the Internet. Most ISPs offer broadband Internet access via cable, DSL or fiber connection. When you connect to the Internet using public Wi-Fi signal, the Wi-Fi router is still connected to an ISP that provides Internet access. Even cellular data towers must connect to an Internet service provider to provide connected devices with access to the Internet. The Internet provides different online services. Some examples include web page, a collection of billion of web pages that you can view with web browser, email, where people can send and receive messages online, social medias, websites and applications that allow people to share comments, photos, videos, etc., online gaming, software updates, like many more applications are there. Basics of Internet or servers and clients. A server is a common source that provides, say, shared services with other machines, that manages resources in a network. The term server is often used to describe the hardware computer, but the term also refers to the software the application running on the computer. Many servers are dedicated, meaning they only perform specific tasks. Clients. Independent computers connected to the server are called clients. Most likely your home or office computers do not provide service to other computers, therefore it is a client. Clients can run multiple client software applications that perform specific functions. For example, an email application such as Microsoft Outlook is client software. When you want to surf the web, your browser connects to remote server and requests a page. The remote server runs web server software. In the revision of this clause, we have seen the definition of bioinformatics, that is a combination of biology and information technology, basics of bioinformatics, history of bioinformatics. In the history, it started in 1960 when the first protein sequence data was developed by Dayoff, and later main goals is to store and analyze and apply this data for betterment of human and nature. And internet basics. What is internet? It is the network of networks, and basics of internet, it connects to different computers by standard protocols and provides a vast information to billions of users across the world. Thank you.